Hi guys, hope you're doing good. In this series of videos, we are learning about Linux or Unix commands. People who are using Mac, these commands are for you as well. Now let us see how to remove a file or a folder. To remove a file, we'll be using a command called as rm. To remove a directory, we'll be using a command called as rmdir. Let us see both. Now first, let us see what are the files that are present inside my directory. Now these are the files that are present. Now let us see how to remove a particular file. For example, if I want to remove a file, my empty file. To remove that, I'll say rm my empty file. Now if I do that, that particular file will be removed from the current working directory. If I want to remove a file from a different directory, just not give the entire path where the file is present. Now let us see whether it is removed. Yes, it is removed. Now if I want to remove a file which is there in a different directory, let us check what are the files in that directory first. We have a directory called as nscil. We have these files. Now I want to remove my file.txt from here. So what I need to do is I just say rm space and the path where the file is present. Now when I do this, this file would have been removed. Let us check ls. Now here you can see that the file myfile.txt is completely removed from the directory. This is how I remove a particular file. Now if I want to remove more than one file with the same extension or with the same name, either starting or at the end, now let us see how to do it, right? So let me clear the screen for you. Let us see what are the files which are having similar names or similar extension, right? Here we can see that file1.doc, file2.doc, file3.doc, all these have .doc extension. Now if I want to remove all the files with some particular extension, I'll say rm star.doc. It means that any file that have this extension .doc, before that there can be anything. That is what it means, right? So let us press enter and then see ls. Now you can see all the file1, file2.doc, file3. All files have been removed. Now one more thing, if I say I want to remove the files which and all starting with the word new. Now you can see three files are there starting with the word new. I can remove that, say rm new star. So when I say rm new star, any file that starts with the word new and it can be anything after that, then I'll say rm star. Now here we can see those files got removed. Now if I want to remove anything with any extension or any word starting with in a different directory, just give the entire path. So let me clear the screen for you. Now if I want to remove a directory from a folder where I am presenting, or if it is in some other location where I want to remove, but I want to remove directory. Let us see what are the directories that are available here. We have lab report, all those stuff. So let me create a directory now because I don't want to touch any of these directories which is already here. So let me say mkdir and let me create a directory called as my doc. Now by mistakenly I have created this directory. If I want to remove this directory, very simple, I'll just say rmdir followed by my doc, right? So this directory will be removed completely. Now we have one more option. Let me create it again, and then if I want to remove this directory, right, I'll say rm hyphen d. I can also do this, right? Either I can say rmdir followed by the directory name, or rm followed by the option that is hyphen d. It means that delete a directory, right? Delete a directory. Rm hyphen d means delete a directory. Yes, but is it possible with rm? No, directly with rm I cannot do it. I'll say rm my doc. It will throw you error because my doc is a directory wherein I cannot remove just with rm. So to remove a directory, I either use rmdir followed by the directory name, or rm hyphen d followed by the directory name. Fine. Now let us try to delete a directory in some other location. I'll say ls dot dot and check what are the directories there. We have nscil, new folder, nonstop enlightenment that are there in the desktop, right? Now if I want to remove new folder from this location wherever I am, I have to give the entire path. So let me say rmdir since it's a directory, and then say dot dot slash, because dot dot means one step back, and from there new folder. Now when I do this, you can see it is saying new folder, that is directory not empty. So it is not possible to delete a directory which is having some content inside that, which is having some files inside that. So we can delete only a empty directory. So here this is not an empty directory, but if I want to delete a directory and all its contents inside that, I can just say rm-r. Now here this will help me in completely deleting that directory. Now let us see whether it is there or not. Now it has been removed, right? So any directory which is having some content inside that, or any files or any folders inside that, we cannot delete it directly either using a rmdir or rm-d. It's not possible. Rather we need to say rm-r to delete a folder which is having something inside. Or I can say, if I want to delete an empty directory, just say rmdir. If a directory is having some content inside that, just say rm-r and followed by the directory name. That's it for this video, guys. If you have any doubts or queries, please comment in the comment section. I'll definitely get back to you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.